Kodwa general siyakuzwa mhlonipheki mhlonishwa ukuthi the whole world is here and usho ukuthi it seems as if March and March and all supporting forces but target illegal foreigners or foreigners from other countries. I mean, from seems to be targeting only from African countries, and then you are justify ukuthi the whole world is here. Kodwa thina general lapho ke ilapho izohlukana khona mhlonishwa wethu siyakuthanda general, siyakuthanda uneqiniso, umuntu weqiniso. Kodwa hlangana ne-March and March general, hlangana nabo Mamgobese nabo Phakela Mthakathi nonke nisote this thing ngoba general uyazi ukuthi lapha point lapho ziyabuya lapha point sikhuluma nge-KZN, we are commissioner of KZN. Uyazi ukuthi lapha point ziyabuya ngempela. Uyazi general ukuthi bagcwele kuphi. This is your province, you've been doing raids, siyazi usebenzisana no bab premier ubab Buthelezi, hayi Buthelezi, ubab babani manje, hey, why am I forgetting his name? Yeah, premier wase KZN usebenzisana naye, right? Ubamtulu, thank you. Ubabuntule usebenzisana naye, and then you've been going and kuma raids and trying to deport abanye. Kodwa ngalendlela esisebenzisayo lesi strategies, your strategy general isithatha isikhathi baba. Hlangana nabo Mangobese ni sort this thing. Kodwa the reason to say ukuthi they are only targeting only from African countries, yibo esihlala nabo la. These are the ones that we stay. Tina sazi, because when you say the whole world, generals, kombise ke ukuthi mbaphi abanye. And then if niyazi nina general, if niyazi ukuthi abanye bakhona, why ningayi lapho ne Home Affairs and deporting officials nibathathe nabo and then nibahambise? Ake sikhulume le jena, ake sikhulumeni iqiniso ngoba angeke sitarget abantu singangazi ukuthi bakhona ukuthi abekho. Siyazi ukuthi la besihlala nabo la lapha eHillbrow, mina ngiphuma eGauteng province, lapha eHillbrow siyazi ukuthi lapha eHillbrow almost 80% of people in Hillbrow, if not 100%, they are foreign nationals and who are illegal. Iqiniso leo general, iqiniso. Asijaji ngobuso nje. Iqiniso leo general. So we cannot therefore say ukuthi we are going to let this thing because we are afraid of making a mistake. Yoguti, no, we are judging a book by its cover, so he must be illegal because since he looks black, and then these people, you know, since he looks black like us, we might make a mistake. Yoguti, no, he's a South African. You know, and then we judging him as a foreigner. As I sebenz kanjalo general, and then mausho uti general uguti we don't have skills so bheka lama paper general abantu bafundile nangi internet lezi zinto siyazazi in general. These things we do know general. Riqetela retsiba to such an extent because as we were embarking on this mission, we are discovering, oh, this is how the process works. This is how you check ukuthi into eqiniso or not. So, your reasons, general. Siyakuzwa mhlonishwa, siyakuzwa kodwa asivumelani nawe lapho general. Asivumelani ilapho siphambana khona general wethu esimthandayo. Ilapho isiphambana khona. That's where we sort of part ways kancane nawe ugeneral. Kahle ilapho isiphambana. So I agree with you ukuthi the best way general ukuthi nihlangane nabo uMam Gobese, and then let's hear the outcome of that meeting. And siyazi general ukuthi no wethu, and then you want to deal with this illegal immigration problem and illegal foreigners. Kodwa kumele ukuthi kudilwe ngayo ngempela general. Singaveli sithule nje. Kumele ukuthi kudilwe ngayo ngempela. Kumele ukuthi kudilwe ngayo ngempela ngoba even here in CBD general, you know, most shops here lapha eThekwini, even if you go to Joburg, omunye umfowethu la wakhuluma ukuthi almost 800 stores were closed when they were doing ama marches, and these are illegal foreigner marches. It cannot be general. Ake sikhulumeni iqiniso bafowethu. Ake sikhulumeni iqiniso. It cannot be. Sicela isupport yakho, sicela ukuthi sisebenzisane sonke si solve this problem, because it's not only on there is a bigger crisis general ukuthi if this thing is not sorted kuzoba nenkinga general, kuzoba nenkinga enkulu kakhulu. Economically we are already a disadvantage in this instance, and ngeke siyeke dala yeke. This thing has been going for years. Nikona ningakhulumi. When people are standing up now, there are reasons now. Again meni kancane bafowethu, again meni ka general sizosebenzisana sonke, kodwa ayi angivumelani lawe la.